Well, let's bring in the CEO of Canoo, joining us from their facility in Torrance, California, Ulrich Kranz, who is the founder and CEO of Canoo, joining us right there in front of the Canoo. Hey, we're going to talk about the vehicle in just a little bit, Uli, but tell us first, how quickly did this deal come together, and when did you guys start talking to Hennessy and saying, yeah, we think this is the way to go?
Yeah, hi Phil, thank you for having me. So we are working on it a while, and we were really looking at different specs that are out there, and Hennessy has a very mature team, and they have a very good track record, and we are really happy that Hennessy joined forces with us.
You're planning to roll out that vehicle that's behind you, which is also called Canoo. You're planning to roll that out on a subscription model basis by 2022. First of all, where are you going to build it?
Exactly.
And second of all, do you really believe that there is a market out there, especially in urban markets, for this subscription model when it comes to EVs like that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are rolling out the vehicle at the beginning of 2022, to be precise, in Q2 2022. And there is a huge market for a vehicle at our size. Our vehicle is actually sitting on a unique architecture, and it has a huge interior space on a relatively small footprint. It is perfectly designed for the urban environment. And as you know, the millennials, they're actually not willing to make a long-term commitment, making a down payment for a vehicle. They would pretty much appreciate what we are doing, because we have a subscription model that allows them without any down payment to get the car month by month. And it includes pretty much everything. So it's insurance, it's maintenance, it's DMV, all comes into one package. And I guess this is the new way how to shop vehicles.
And Uli, you've been in this industry, the auto industry, for a number of years. You know that there are people, probably many of your former colleagues, who are saying this is not going to end well when it comes to all these EV companies going public through SPACs. In fact, I talked to one this week who said this is going to end very poorly for a lot of investors. How do you convince investors your IPO is the one that's going to survive?
Yeah, in our case, we are different. We have already vehicles on the road. As you might know, we started at the beginning of 2018, and within 19 months, we designed, developed, and produced 32 prototypes, and 13 of them are running vehicles. They deliver results every day. And the other ones we have been used for testing. So we also performed already more than 50 physical crash tests, just to make sure that the correlation between our simulation fits the real world results. So we are a mature company. We also attracted, for instance, a company like Hyundai. They did a really hard due diligence on us.
Sure.
And today we are already working for them. And actually we make money with this engineering service already today.
Uli, last question here. You told me yesterday on the phone you like to call this a spaceship or a loft on wheels. The inside is certainly unique.
Right.
You believe that there is a market here for people who are tired of the traditional seat within a vehicle, right?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Because vehicles don't have to look as they look today. Because today, even all electric vehicles look like combustion engine powered vehicles. They have an engine compartment, a passenger compartment, and a luggage compartment. Our vehicle, really, our design takes full advantage of an electric powertrain. And this is why we could free up that huge interior space and make the interior more relaxing. And we are not talking about traditional car seats. We are more talking about furniture. And as you mentioned, it's pretty much a loft on wheels. The other thing what we can bring across is that design is already ready for autonomous driving. Imagine in the future if we move from level 2 to level 3, level 4,
sure.
There might be no need anymore to have a direction of the vehicle. And this is why our vehicle is also designed in a way that it looks very symmetrical.